The period from Reza Shah to Mohammad Reza Shah was marked by significant modernization and reform in Iran's political, social, and economic spheres. Reza Shah Pahlavi, ruling from 1925 to 1941, focused on secularization and state-building, establishing a central government. During this era, major infrastructure projects were initiated, including roads, railways, and schools to boost education and trade. After Reza Shah's abdication in 1941 due to Allied pressures during World War II, his son, Mohammad Reza Shah, ascended to the throne. Mohammad Reza Shah attempted to modernize and liberalize Iran but faced increasing political opposition and unrest. The Shah's White Revolution in 1963 aimed to transform Iran's economy and society, leading to significant land reforms and women's rights advancements. Despite these efforts, widespread discontent culminated in the 1979 Iranian Revolution, leading to the Shah's exile.